Chicken is the most consumed meat, and there are different ways of preparing chicken. In this recipe, I'll be showing you a very easy and simple chicken recipe, which is going to turn out delicious, and the chicken is going to be so juicy. Also, I'm going to be making a potato side dish, which is going to turn out amazing. We're going to start off by making our chicken, and it's going to be a very easy and simple recipe. Into my bowl, I have 1 kg of chicken quarters. So next, I'm going to add in a few spices which are very mild. I have some paprika, black pepper, cayenne powder, and curry powder. Add in half of my garlic and ginger into the bowl, a little bit of salt, and cooking oil. Around a tablespoon. Go in with my hands and massage in the seasoning into the chicken. This is how your chicken is going to be looking once all the sides are fully coated with the marinade. So you're going to let this sit for around 30 minutes, and if you have time, marinate overnight, and you're going to have the best results ever. Meanwhile, you're going to prep up a few fresh ingredients ahead, and I have some onions, crushed garlic and ginger, coriander. Also, I'm going to be making some potatoes for my side dish. So I have around 7 to 8 medium potatoes that I've diced into small pieces. Prep up some carrots and zucchini. Once the chicken is done marinating, it's time to cook. So you're going to place a pot over medium flame and add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil because the chicken is a little bit fatty. Spread the oil in my pot. Then next, we are going to be searing our chicken to build some flavor. Once my pot is nice and hot, I'm going to sear my chicken with the skin side down. And I'm going to be searing in batches. Sear your chicken for around 2 to 3 minutes on each side. After 2 minutes, you're going to check on your chicken. Look at that lovely crust on my chicken. So this is after 2 minutes. I'm going to transfer to a plate. And add in my next round. Once the chicken is well seared, you're going to flip and let the other side sear. When the next round is ready, I'm going to pick my chicken, transfer to the rest. Gorgeous. With the same cooking oil, I'm going to fry my onions for around a minute until soft. As you're cooking your onions, you'll notice that you have bits of garlic and ginger, and also the oil is very flavorful because of the chicken juices. So once the onions are ready, you're going to add in the remaining garlic and ginger. Saute for around 30 seconds until the garlic and ginger is flavorful. Once everything is very nice and aromatic, you're going to add in your carrots. Add back your chicken together with the chicken juices. Add in 1 heaped tablespoon of tomato paste. Splash of water. Stir in the chicken and make sure each piece of chicken quarters is well settled in the delicious and flavorful gravy. Then I'm going to cover Reduce the flames to medium low and simmer for around 10 minutes. Wow, everything is looking so delicious. So I'm going to check the seasoning. I need a little bit of salt. So I'm going to flip my chicken so that the other side can cook. Adding a chicken stock cube, which is going to fully season the dish. Stir in. And because the chicken is a little bit acidic, since we added in tomato paste, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of sugar, which is going to stabilize the acidity of the dish. Stir in, and then I'm going to cover. Reduce the flames to medium low and simmer my chicken for another 2 minutes. On another stove top, I'm going to place a frying pan with enough cooking oil to deep fry my potatoes, and then I'm going to wait for around a minute so that the cooking oil can get hot. After peeling and washing your potatoes, drain the water. Make sure the potatoes are nice and clean. And because my oil is ready, I'm going to carefully drop in my potatoes into the cooking oil carefully. Use your skimmer and toss the potatoes for around 10 seconds. Then you're going to fry your potatoes for around 2 to 3 minutes. This is how my chicken is looking like. So I'm going to flip once more, and you can tell the chicken is going to be so delicious just by looking at the sauce. When frying your potatoes, avoid overcrowding because the temperature of the oil is going to drop and the potatoes are going to sip in oil and turn soggy. My chicken is still cooking, and yeah, everything is just perfect. After a couple of minutes, I'm going to check on my chicken and just look how delicious everything is looking. The gravy has thickened up a little bit. At this point, I'm going to add in some zucchini. Stir in the zucchini and cook for another 2 minutes so that the zucchini can soften up. The chicken is looking so good. Back to my potatoes. I'm going to use my skimmer, and the first round is ready. So I'm going to use my skimmer, shake off the excess oil and transfer to a plate lined with kitten pepper towel. Scoop out some more. And because I want my potatoes super crispy, I'm going to bring the flames to high. Wait for around 30 seconds to a minute so that the cooking oil can get hot, very hot. When the oil is ready, I'm going to drop in my potatoes so that they can crispen up. And that is going to take around 2 minutes. So using your skimmer, you're going to keep tossing the potatoes so that they can brown on all sides. Check on my chicken, and yum. I'm going to garnish with a little bit of coriander to add in some color and flavor. Once your potatoes have a very nice golden brown color just like this, you're going to put out the flames, scoop out, shake off the excess oil, transfer back to your plate lined with kitchen paper towel, and just look how delish the potatoes are looking. Immediately the potatoes are from the cooking oil, sprinkle with a little bit of salt and coriander just to jazz up the potatoes a little bit. Then I'm going to plate up my delicious lunch. Plate up with my very deliciously looking chicken and a bit of kachumbari that I made earlier on. I always fall in love with my presentation because just look how delicious everything is looking. The chicken is well presented, yes, and the potatoes are super crunchy and delicious. This is a perfect way that you can serve up some lunch or dinner for your family whenever you're feeling to make some good comfort food, and everything is going to turn out so good.